In this tutorial, I'll show you how to log into Brave browser. By the end of this video, you'll be signed into Brave on this device using Brave Sync, so your browsing data can securely sync with your other devices. First, open Brave browser. If you already have it on your desktop or taskbar, click it now. Wait for the window to fully load so all menus are available. Next, click the menu icon, the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Settings. This opens Brave's Settings page in a new tab, where we'll adjust your sync and sign-in options. Now go to Sync. You'll find Sync in the left-hand sidebar of Settings. Click it to open the Brave Sync page. Click Start using Sync. This begins the process to connect this device to your existing Brave data. You'll see options to set up or join a sync chain. Also choose Sign in/Add New Device. This option tells Brave you're joining an existing sync setup rather than creating a new one. It's the correct choice when you want to log into Brave using your existing information from another device. After you select it, Brave will show you ways to connect. Enter your sync code or scan QR code. If you have a sync code from another device, click into the field and type or paste the full code exactly as it appears. Take your time and make sure every word and space matches the code shown on your other device. Small mistakes will prevent the connection, so double-check before you proceed. If you prefer to use the QR method, switch to the QR option on this screen, then point your camera at the QR code displayed on your other device. Hold it steady until Brave recognizes the code. If the scan doesn't register right away, adjust the distance or lighting and try again. Once the code is accepted, Brave will connect this device to your sync chain and begin signing you in. You may see a brief loading indicator while the connection is established. That's normal. Just wait a moment. At this point, you're signed into Brave browser on this device through Brave Sync. Your data will start syncing in the background, and you can continue browsing with your settings and content available. The login to Brave browser using Sync is now complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.